So you know I'm a quitter. My freaking light cord broke in half. Even a police officer tried to splice it back together. So I'm like, okay, I live 5 streets away. There's lots of people in this. So I'm going to go home, find other lights, which thankfully were right in the living room. And then I am rejoining the parade. So I'm kind of like that person cheating at the marathon. I'm like joining them as they're coming back. Oh, those wigs are amazing. I love it. Hedwig 2.0. I made it back. I can't believe my freaking lights broke. Oh my god. I almost had a full-out panic attack. I was crying and everything. Like, how does the lights go out in a luminary procession before it even starts? That's so cool. I love the way you did the tentacles and stuff. It's so cool.
They're all kind of tangled up now. Initially, they were kind of spread out.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't get mugged. If I do, I will stab them with my garden stake. Can you see my owl hat? See my ears? And my leftover pizza. It was really good. Hoo 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 hoo. Hoo 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 hoo.